Got a new used 2021 Silverado Trail Boss Custom, and we're gonna put a new panty liner in it. Did I say panty liner? I meant bed liner. Alright, so I just got this Herculiner stuff that you see everybody using. Comes with a roller, paintbrush, scraper, etcher. 3 easy steps: clean, apply, and dry. Alright, we'll see. Alright, so first I vacuumed up. There's a bunch of crap in the back of my truck. Then I masked everything off. Put weird blue Q-tips in the holes. Taped off the lights. There's a couple little lights back there. They're cool. And then I started trying to etch it. It sucked. Don't use the green one they give you. Use one of these purplish maroon pad 3M ones because it's way easier and quicker. And the other one sucks. And the good ones will make it look like that. So then you just take a towel and mash it around. Get all the dust off there with some alcohol on it, and then it looks real pretty like this. Alright. Here's the Herculiner tar. It's a lot like tar. It smells awful. It says to stir it a lot. Make sure you stir it a lot. See the little plastic rubber beads in there? Tiny, tiny beads? Yeah. So you start out with a paintbrush to do all the edges and nooks and crannies and seams. So you got to make sure you get those little things on there. Those little plastic beads. And you just mash it in there. It says you're supposed to mash it like that and not paint it, but I found a cool way. Paint it first, and it gets in everything, and then you just go back and mash it. It's super easy. So there I did all the edges. Edged it up. Look at that. Edged up perfectly. So now for the roller crap. Roll it. Super simple. Don't need to show it to you. You just dip it and roll it. It kind of splatters if you go too fast. Oh, my underpants. Anyways, just roll it on nice. It's easy. Don't flail it too much or it'll splatter onto your underpants. Dude, seriously, I apologize for the underpants. I want to punch me in the face. Okay, that's close enough. All right. Okay, thank God that's over. There it is. It's done. Now I can chuck stuff in it.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Make sure you subscribe.